In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set a take profit and stop loss order on BitMart. We'll cover how to set them before and after entering a trade, how to use multiple or partial take profits and stop losses. We'll also cover trailing stop loss orders and how to edit or cancel your orders. If you want to receive a welcome bonus, I recommend you create a BitMart account with the link in the description. New users registering with our link will be eligible to receive these exclusive welcome bonuses. To keep things simple for this video, we are using a market order so we can jump into the trade right away. We are going to place a 3x market BTC long with our full balance. So that will be 200 USDT. We can see our cost and our exposure with our 3x long. We can see there is a box here that says TP and SL. This stands for take profit and stop loss. So we can just click on this. A take profit automatically closes your trade when the price reaches your target price, while a stop loss closes your trade if the market moves against you. Traders use these to manage risk and lock in gains without needing to watch the chart constantly. It basically can automate your exit. So we will be setting a take profit and a stop loss on our entire position. So that means when a certain price is hit, we will be sold out of our position. So let's say I'll be happy to close my trade and take profits if Bitcoin hits 120,000, and we can see with a long position how much we would be up in our profits and our percentage we are up. And on the downside, I may not have the best stomach for losses, so I want to cut my losses if Bitcoin goes past 60,000 and exit the trade. Now BitMart has an option called a guaranteed TP and a guaranteed SL. This feature helps ensure your take profit order is executed at your selected price or better, even in fast moving markets. It's designed to reduce slippage and protect your profits, especially during volatility. You'll also see an option to choose between latest and mark. Latest price is the most recent traded price on the market, so it reacts quickly to price movements, while mark price is a more stable, calculated price that helps prevent unnecessary liquidations caused by short-term spikes. Most traders will use latest for a take profit if they want quicker execution, and mark for stop loss since it's more stable and less likely to trigger from sudden wicks. Now that we've set our take profit and stop loss, we can open our long. We can go over the details a bit to make sure our order is correct, and we can confirm. Under open orders, we can look at our take profit and stop loss orders. Here's where we can also cancel them individually or cancel both of them at the same time. Now I showed you how to set a take profit and stop loss before your trade. Next, I'm going to show you how to add one after your trade. So we're going to cancel these orders here. Head back to current positions, and we can see there is an option that says take profit and stop loss. We are going to click on this icon here. And again, we can set our take profit and stop loss just like we did before our trade. We can keep it at 120,000 and on the downside, 60,000. We want to put our stop loss to execute on mark price. We can confirm this order. And now under our take profit and stop loss, we can see them. If we click on this icon, we can also edit them. Next, I'm going to show you how to add multiple take profit and stop losses to your position. So let's cancel these orders and confirm. We can then re-click on take profit and stop loss. And before we set it with our entire position, now we are going to click on the partial position option. We can now see there is an amount option, so we can choose how much of our position we want to sell. For this tutorial, we are going to create two separate partial positions. So we're going to sell 50% of our assets on our first take profit and stop loss, and then 50% on our second. So first we're going to set our take profit. So I want to partially take profits if Bitcoin hits 100,000, and we're going to confirm this order. And now we're going to set our stop loss on half of our position. We're going to set it at 60,000. Again, selling 50% and confirm this order. So that was the first half of our take profit and stop loss. Some exchanges let you do it together, but on BitMart, we had to do them separately. And now we're going to do the second half of our orders. Go back to partial positions. And for this time, we want to be fully out of our position once Bitcoin hits 120,000. Again, 50% of our position. And we can confirm this and add our stop loss as well. We want to fully cut our losses if Bitcoin goes past 45,000 and 50%. And confirm. And now we can see under open orders, all our take profit and stop losses that we set. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to set a trailing stop order. So we can just cancel all of our stop losses here and head up to the top and go to trailing stop, switch from open to closed. A trailing stop is a type of stop loss that automatically moves with the price as it goes in your favor. This will help you lock in profits while still giving the trade room to grow. Now there are two main settings here. We have the activation price and the callback rate. The activation price is the level where the trailing stop loss becomes active. So the trade won't start trailing until price reaches this point. So let's say we're going to set our activation price at 100,000. The callback rate is the percentage the price needs to move against you before the trade is closed. For example, if you set a callback rate at 2%, the position will close if price drops 2% from its highest point after activation. So let's say once Bitcoin hits 100,000, it runs up to 110,000, but then pulls back 2%, we'll be sold out of our position. So we want a bit more room. BitMart allows you to put a callback rate up to 5%. So that's what we're going to do. And we are going to do this on our whole position. The trailing stop loss is a great tool for protecting profits without having to manually adjust your stop loss. So we can go ahead and execute this order. And now we can see at the bottom, under open orders, our trailing stop loss. Lastly, if we wanted to cancel and close our position, we can either do so down at the bottom or in the order panel on the top right of the dashboard. We are going to execute a market order to sell our position, and we're going to sell the full amount and click on close long. We can confirm our trade, and we have successfully closed our long. And that will wrap up our take profit and stop loss tutorial on the BitMart exchange. If you want to receive a welcome bonus when signing up to BitMart, you should create an account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses that you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at cryptowinrate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.